Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning session. Hope you all are fine by staying at home. In the last video, we have learned about the importance of water, refuges, then testing of different food components. In today's video, we are going to learn about balanced diet and also the harmful effects of junk food. Watch the video carefully. Balanced diet. Now, children, what is this balanced diet? Balanced diet is a food preparation which provides complete nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fibers in their normal proportions. That means eating of these nutrients in their normal amount, in the required amount, is known as balanced diet. Now, why it is important? A balanced diet gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. To get the nutrition, you need most of your daily calories, which should come from fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, then whole grains, legumes, nuts, and proteins. So our body, it requires nearly 70% of carbohydrates, as carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Then 20% proteins and fats, which are required for the bodybuilding, and 10% you get from others. So what are the important nutrients in balanced diet? That is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. You can see in the picture, that is you have carbohydrates, that is rice is rich in carbohydrates. Then you have pulses, that is dal is rich in proteins. Even egg it is rich in proteins. Then vegetables they are rich in vitamins and minerals. So you get all these nutrients if we take this simple food. Now coming to food pyramid. What is food pyramid? A food pyramid is a pyramid. It is a pyramid shaped diagram representing the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basic food groups. For example, you take more amount of grains, you take more amount of grains and cereals, then you eat more amount of vegetables and fruits, and you eat moderately, that is meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dry beans, and dairy products in moderate amount. And lastly, we take fats, oils in very less amount. So, and in addition to this, you have to drink nearly 6 to 8 glasses of water or fluid daily. Now coming to junk food. Children, you know pizza, burger, etc. These are all junk foods, okay, which we like very much. But the nutritionally, if we see, it is unhealthy. Okay, any food that has poor nutritional value is considered unhealthy and may be called as junk food. If you eat these pizza, burger, or french fries, you don't get any kind of nutrition from it. Okay, it harms your body, rather it harms your body. So a food that is high in fat, this type of food, it is very high in fat. For example, chips, pizza, burger, then noodles, pasta, etc. These are all harmful for our body. Now coming to harmful effects of junk food. So what happens if you take junk food in more amount? So it increases obesity. Then it leads to loss of memory and learning problems. Then it worsens or disturbs your digestive system. And finally, it leads to inadequate growth and development. So if you take this harmful junk food every day, it leads to the following disorders. So you should say no to junk food. Okay, once in a while if you eat, it's no problem, but if you eat every day, it is harmful to your body. Children, by this we complete the first unit in science, that is food components. In the next session, we'll be dealing with the next unit. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.